The Paula Deen, the Instant Pot Vortex or Innsky XL? Perhaps the COSORI or the Amazon Basics Air Fryer? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 budget air fryers available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best budget air fryers. The 5th product on this list is the Innsky Air Fryer XL. Rather than waiting for your oven to heat up just to warm through last night's pizza, having the Innsky Air Fryer XL can make your life easier. With the 360-degree hot air convection system and a fence-like hollow carved basket, the Innsky Air Fryer cooks food 4 times faster than a regular oven and 85% less fat than a traditional deep fryer, but the food still tastes crisp. Another great thing about this very affordable air fryer is that you don't have to cycle through options by pressing the menu button. Instead, you can make simple one-touch choices. Let's talk about what you get when you buy this air fryer. It has a large advanced digital one-touch screen with 7 preset modes: steak, chicken, shrimp, seafood, french fries, vegetables, and bread, with precise time and temperature settings for delicious results. It also has 4 new functions to help you cook: timer, preheat, thaw, and keep warm, and a temperature in a time setting range of 180 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit at 1 to 60 minutes, so you can grill, bake, fry, and roast with more precision to make your favorite recipes. Planning to prepare a meal in advance? Don't worry. This air fryer has a delay start feature that lets you set cooking tasks up to 99 minutes in advance. This way, you can let the food marinate fully and get everything ready at the right time, keeping the food's flavor at its best. With the preheat function, your food will cook faster at the right temperature and have a better shape and taste. Its pros are, it can go from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and has 360-degree hot airflow heating technology, so you can bake, fry, grill, or roast food. It has a keep warm function that lets you keep the food at its best flavor and temperature until you're ready to serve it. And its square basket design provides more cooking capacity than round baskets. However, it may be prone to rust over time, but with proper handling and storage, this shouldn't be an issue. The Innsky Air Fryer is a great choice for medium-sized families because it can easily cook 4 and serve 4 or 5 people. Its steel body keep warm feature and other attributes are just what you need for everyday use. Up next in 4th place is Amazon Basics Air Fryer. This is another must-have on your list if you want to save money while deep frying without risking your health. The Amazon Basics Air Fryer is a great little machine, not just because you can air fry some meals to make them taste great without using oil, but because it can cook food in more than one way. It makes your kitchen more efficient. You can bake, fry, grill, and roast. This little Amazon Basics Air Fryer can do all of those things, and it's very convenient to use. You have a simple user interface that makes it easy to choose what to do and for how long. You can also set it to turn off by itself, which is both convenient and safer. Convenience is the most important thing here. It's easy to set up and even easier to get going. It will be effortless to make a meal for yourself. This little machine has enough room for you to make a meal that will fill you up. Whatever you put in there will come out looking like it was just made by a chef. Putting meals together will be much easier when you use the Amazon Basics Air Fryer. Not just because it's straightforward, but also because it's good for your health. Air frying food is much healthier than putting it in oil and frying it. So get one now if you want to eat your favorite dishes in a more healthy way. Its pros are, it has a digital touchscreen and 8 presets that make sure food is cooked evenly. It comes with a 6.3-quart air fryer with a non-stick plate and tank that can be taken off and cleaned in the dishwasher, and it has an integrated dehydrate function and adjustable heat from 90 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. However, it's smaller than the others on our list and can only serve 3 to 4 people. The Amazon Basics Air Fryer is an essential for any kitchen and is perfect for serving a small family. You can be confident that this air fryer will never let you down or the people for whom you cook. Still haven't found a budget air fryer that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on this list is the COSORI Air Fryer. This next unit is a bestseller on Amazon, and thousands of people have said good things about all of the brand's fryers. The COSORI is a drawer-style air fryer, like many of the best ones. It has a removable cooking area that lets you lift a cooking basket out of the base. This lets you tip out fries or fresh chicken wings while leaving any liquids or fat at the bottom of the drawer. What's more, the 5.8 quart basket holds enough to serve 3 to 5 people to better meet the dining needs of your family. Another thing to love about this air fryer is that you can make BBQ at home with the additional 5 skewers and skewer rack included with it. You can also spend less time cooking and cleaning up with a detachable square basket that drains excess oil and holds more food than the traditional round shape. Not sure about what to cook next? Don't worry. With the COSORI Air Fryer, you'll never run out of cooking inspiration with the 100 recipe cookbook and even more online that includes serving sizes and recommended air fryer settings. That's a considerable bonus to look forward to if you get this very promising budget-friendly air fryer. Its pros are, it's lightweight, so you can easily bring it to your relative's house for your next get-together. It has ergonomic handles, so you don't strain your hands when using it, and its removable basket is non-stick and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. However, its touchscreen buttons are a little loud, although that's a very minor concern compared to all the good stuff that it can offer. This air fryer by COSORI is a must-have for everyone who enjoys making food at home. With this unit, you will be able to effortlessly cook a variety of dishes in no time. The second product on this list is the Paula Deen Digital Air Fryer. Looking for a budget-friendly air fryer to serve 5 to 10 people? Well, thanks to Paula Deen Digital Air Fryer, you've got one less thing to worry about. This is the best air fryer available for large families to use to prepare quick meals for large gatherings thanks to its 10-quart capacity. Another remarkable feature is its air circulation, which allows you to cook large items in portions in less time. Also, its elegant LED digital display is user-friendly and allows for quick monitoring. Additionally, Paula Deen's large air fryer has a nice, sophisticated appearance. The lovely stainless steel finish and large single basket make it hard to miss, and it works very well. It is also simple to use. All you have to do is place the food inside, set the temperature and timer, and enjoy. The unit has 10 preset functions that cut down on cooking time and effort. Since the air fryer does not use any oil or fat for cooking, it is much healthier than a deep fryer. Finally, this air fryer will not heat up your kitchen or make a mess in your space. It has a ceramic non-stick coating that makes cleaning quick and easy. Its pros are, its sturdy and durable construction can assure you that it will stay with you for a long time. It has a single basket design that allows you to cook large enough portions to feed your entire dinner party, and it has 10 presets. Each has an adjustable time and temperature, so you can customize everything to fit your air-fried recipes. However, its rubber ends on the crisper may come off too easily, so you have to be cautious when washing it. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top budget air fryer is the Instant Pot Vortex. If you're looking for the ultimate value for money air fryer that can turn food from frozen to golden in a few minutes, then the Instant Pot Vortex is here to cover your cooking needs. The Instant Vortex air fryer was the brand's first countertop convection oven. It is still their most popular air fryer to this day. With this machine, you can quickly prepare meals. It will, for example, require less preheating time than a full-sized oven. As a result, you can eat much faster than with traditional methods. You can cook from frozen to crispy at the same time. In short, you don't always need to thaw frozen food. However, it is still dependent on the item you will fry. Regardless if you have a busy schedule, this is a significant win. And, of course, let's not forget the best part. Because an air fryer uses less oil, your food will be healthier and less expensive. Moreover, the Instant Pot Vortex has 4 smart programs that will undoubtedly simplify your kitchen tasks. All you have to do is add food, select a function, and let the machine do the rest. Of course, you can change the settings to your liking. This feature eliminates the need to change the settings every time you batch cook. After all, you can never go wrong with a tool that makes your life easier, right? Its pros are, It has a very sleek design that's perfect for your kitchen's interior. It can be set up to make wings, roasted vegetables, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns, and more with just one touch. It has built-in safety features like overheat protection and auto off to put your mind at ease, and it comes with a grill plate and a set of skewers that you can use to make a huge variety of recipes and appetizers. However, it's not dishwasher safe, but you can easily clean it with a damp cloth. The Instant Vortex Air Fryer is a 4-in-1 kitchen appliance that can air fry, bake, roast, and reheat. You'll never go wrong when you choose to add this budget-friendly machine to your kitchen set. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.